I'm County Commissioner Scott Kirouac, and we're doing some short videos as hurricane season approaches on some tips that you can use around your house. As we know, as hurricanes come, it can interrupt our power supply. And one thing that we don't quite often think of, in our hurricane kit, we have a lot of canned goods, but we don't have a can opener, a manual can opener. A lot of us use an electric can opener every day. So make sure next time that you're out shopping to pick up just an inexpensive manual hand can opener and make that part of your hurricane kit. Thank you, and let's all keep our fingers crossed for no hurricanes this year and a successful year. Thank you and have a great day.